If your tumble dryer is taking longer to dry than normal, then one of the possible causes could be the half heat switch is not working and only half the heater is being activated. This switch is easy to test and not hard to replace if gone about in the right way. So in this short video I'm going to test and replace a switch. The tools needed for this job are a Phillips screwdriver, powered or manual, a large flat bladed screwdriver, a thin flat bladed screwdriver, a pair of long nose pliers, although the job can be completed without them, and a multimeter. The first thing to do is remove the mains plug from the wall socket. The next job is to undo the two screws at the rear of the top, push it backwards and lift it off. In a lot of cases this is far easier said than done, but it will come off. To test the switch, remove at least one of the wires because you may get a false reading otherwise. Set your meter to the 200 scale and with the probe on each of the switch terminals, press the switch button a few times. You should get a reading on the meter when it's out and not when it's in. If that's the case, then the switch is fine, but if there's no reading in either position, then it needs replacing. To remove the switch, you must first take the button off, and to do that, insert your thin screwdriver into the hole just under the switch and give it a gentle push. This will ease the button off. The hole in the switch housing is not that obvious, so it may take a few seconds to locate it, but it is there. With the button out of the way, you can see the four wing tags that hold the switch in place. The only reason you'll be removing this switch is if it's faulty, so there's no need to preserve it. Therefore you can cut the wings off and the switch will come free. However, another way to remove the switch in one piece is to squeeze the wings in and then pull it out. The overflow pipe on the back of the machine is just the right diameter for the job. So if that's the way you want to go, then remove the plastic pump cover and pull the pipe off both lower spigot and top one. Now twist one end onto the switch and this will close the wings in. Now with the aid of a thin flat bladed screwdriver, ease the switch out from its seating in the fascia panel. To refit the switch just requires putting it in the hole and pushing it in. The wings will open out and hold it in position. The button just pushes on as well. It doesn't matter which terminals the wires fit on, so there's nothing important to watch out for there. But you may have dislodged the harness clip from the cabinet fascia, which should be refitted because it prevents the cables from rubbing on the drum and getting damaged. The top will go back on much easier than it came off. Then all you need to do is screw it down and the job's done. But before you connect it up, take a minute to do an earth continuity test. Set the dial to 200 and attach one probe to the earth on the mains plug, whilst touching any exposed part of the cabinet with the other probe. You should get a reading of about 0.5 ohms, but as long as you get a reading, then you should be fine. However, if there is no reading, you may want to take another look at the machine, because you've got no earth. On behalf of Selfix UK, we'd like to thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Goodbye.